Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Ashish Gupta, and I am the founder of Digitally Success. After 18 years of experience in working as in corporate healthcare sales, my last designation was Deputy Chief Manager in Kotak Mahindra Finance. I had founded Digitally Success. Digitally Success is an edtech platform where we teach students for their academic developments, not only in India but all around the globe with all the boards. Apart from that, I am also building an end-to-end AI automation platform where I will be helping small and medium businesses to perform their daily automated tasks so that their manual work becomes easier. Today's all the small and medium business companies are using disconnected tools. For every different work, they are using different platforms. So this not only wastes their time, they have to perform various manual tasks. They have to increase their employees, and in this due to which their task becomes very expensive. So I am building an end-to-end AI automation tool where just by giving a prompt, their daily automated tasks will be completed, like lead generation, customer communication, customer feedback, follow-ups, daily routine marketing. Apart from that, their daily routine tasks which can be automated by building AI agents, where various AI agents will be connected to each other by using APIs. So currently I am using an A10 platform, and I think UP-RAMP will be a very best tool for very best platform for me, because not they are government recognized. They are not only providing theoretical exposure, theoretical teaching, but they are also providing live boot camps also, where I will be getting to learn all the things where I can solve real life challenges in the real world problem. Thank you.